He's a shadow in a limousine. He's a face upon the screen. In the bars and in the discotheques, he's a voice on the machine. If you call, you'll find he's not at home, and his number's not in the book. But open up a magazine, it's everywhere you look. The guys in town follow him around, hoping for a glance. But a superstar, he won't get far on romance. But if you ask him what his story is and when it all began, he'll tell you how he started. One man and the band. There's a girl, she has his autograph, sends a letter every day. When she hears he's at the airport, she goes to sleep him on his way. But by now, he's in the stratosphere, flying westward on a jet. From reporters and from cameramen, he's playing hard to get. And sitting in the aeroplane, he sips on his champagne, and the stewardess takes a photograph to give to her best friend. But if you ask him what his story is and when it all began, he'll tell you how he started. One man and the band. But if you ask him what his story is and when it all began, he'll tell you how he started. One man in the band.